आज हम बनाएंगे
केक।
कौन बनाएगा, मम्मा बनाएगी कि आशी?
मैं।
लेट्स स्टार्ट।
To add first this powder,
This is not powder, this is flour.
lots of flour. Then shake it round around. A doogie boogie
One minute.
boogie. Connect it 2, 3, 4, 5.
आशु नहीं।
How now? Cocoa powder and we are going to put it. मेरा बॉल है. I'm adding sugar. We are putting more sugar in it. So we will put all. We are putting oil and we will put in this bowl only. Counting very slowly, mom. And this. I will put it syrup. It's so chocolate. Ma, you have to put lots of milk.
Fix, then
Let me also mix. Ma looks yummy and tasty. Our cake is ready. Now we are going to decorate it. It is ready. We are going to decorate it. Such a yummy and boofy cake. Oh, go. I will.
Oh wait, now I'll put the cream on this first.
Then I will. I will just eat the bowl one. हम लोग थोड़ा और डेकोरेट करना है.
करो।
हाँ मैं करूँगी.
करो, पकड़ो। Not too much. बस ज़्यादा नहीं.
Wow, it's so great. Mommy.
Wait. I'll tell you how to put it. I'll tell you.
I know it.
Done. Oh. What do you want? Heart.
Heart. Okay, it's ready. Now we are going to